Hi, I'm Kaname. In this video, you will learn Japanese for dogs. Aicha, aicha. And when you meet someone's dog and when you want to touch it, a very good phrase in that situation is Aicha, oide. Suimasen, sawatte mo ii desu ka? Or suimasen, nadete mo ii desu ka? Sawaru is to touch, naderu is to stroke. So, can I pet the dog or can I stroke the dog? That kind of vibe. すいません、ワンちゃん触ってもいいですか？ありがとうございます。And you can start stroking the dog fiercely. ワンちゃん、おいで。おいで。And when you want to praise a dog, in Japanese, people often say, いい子、いい子、いい子だね。ワンちゃん、いい子だね。いい子だね。And if you want to say, oh, this dog is so cute, you say, かわいい. But not just かわいい. You say かわいいね、かわいいね、あいちゃんかわいいね. And if you want to ask the name of the dog, what is the name of the dog? You can say その犬の名前は何ですか? But calling someone's dog 犬 might sound a little bit too impersonal, too cold. So people often call other people's dog ワンちゃん. ワンちゃんのお名前はアインちゃんです。アインちゃんですか？男の子ですか？女の子ですか？アインちゃんは女の子です。Like that, then you can ask about the dog. And how to give command to a dog. When you want him to sit, you can say, お座り。お座り。伏せ。待て。待て。ふり。ふり。OK。お手。鼻。turn。turn。顎。伏せ。待て。OK。いい子いい子いい子いい子。She just peed. How to say she just peed in Japanese? There's many ways to say pee. For example, しょんべんをする。おしっこをする。シーシーする。排尿する。Well, if you say しょんべんする, it sounds too vulgar. And if you say シーシーする, it sounds like a baby talk. And if you say 排尿する, it sounds like you're talking about some medical term. So it's not appropriate in this kind of situation. So if you want to say she peed in most decent way, you can say おしっこする。アインちゃん、おしっこする？おしっこする？いいよ、ここでおしっこして。シーシー、シーシー。That's how Japanese people will say, you pee here. アインちゃん just pooped. How to say poop in Japanese? Well, there are also many ways to say poop. One common way is うんち. So if you go to see the doctor and if you need to explain about the situation or condition of a poop, you use the word うんち. 今日うんちは出ましたか？アインちゃんの今日のうんちは良好でした。うんち is the most appropriate way to say shit in this situation. You can also say うんこ, but うんこ sounds like a childish phrasing that many child will like. So I recommend you to say うんち in this situation and never say くそ。アインちゃんお水飲む？お水。はい、いいよ。This action is called 水をやる. People say 水をやる to say give water. Well, you can also say 水をあげる, but when feeding animals, it is more common to use the verb やる instead of あげる. 待て.